Okay, Andy thought it would be a great idea to feed the seagulls. Watch, he's gonna get attacked. Put some on your head, Andy!
Feeding time!
Okay, just a second ago there was one seagull. I hope they don't attack your face. I hope this isn't against the law.
Hey, go high.
It's gonna get you, Andy. He's coming for you. Put one on your head. Okay, let's see if it... No, really do. No, put one on your head for reals. Then we can put it on YouTube. Okay, I'll give you a quarter if you keep one on your head.
Come here. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Come fishy. Come on. Hey, good night. Hey, they're fighting.
Put on your head, please.
No.
No, then we could put on YouTube. And it'll be on all the news stations.
I am a teacher. I am professional.
Pretty please? Really?
What?
Now they're gonna see that. Man, you're almost out. Come on. Just stand there with one piece on your head.
No, Emily. I'm not going to do that. Hurry up, hurry up.
Oh, he's just not fast enough.
Go away. You're me. Go away. Run, Fishy, run. Run, Birdie, run. Go, Birdie, go. Go, go, keep going. Eat it, quickly, eat it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he dropped it. That poor, he just wants a piece of bread. That's one.
Really? Please put it on your head.
No. One more. Bye, seagulls. Goodbye, Washington. Goodbye, Custer. And that's a wrap. Cut it. Cut it.